The backhoe is fully functional. The clutch is working just fine. I've been working on something out in the yard. I've also got a GoPro mount on my tractor now. Check this little mount out here. Got my GoPro mount for my GoPro, because it's a GoPro. I can mount it on my tractor now, and you guys can see what I'm doing.
That's really cool.
Is that really cool?
That's really cool.
On road again. Woo, almost hit the truck. Let's not hit the truck again. This is what I've been working on. Get a little pathway going down our property line. Just hang on.
It's a bad
Yeah,
scene.
right.
I should have had my gloves. I didn't bring my gloves.
No, we ain't going that fast.
Look at a thing hanging.
That's my strap in case I need to move something.
Maybe I should wrap that around my waist.
No,
Like
you should
I'm
hang on to the handle there.
Like I'm on a merry-go-round. Oh no! I'm
Watch
gonna
out for the
die!
branch! Oh no! This is our little fire access trail.
I feel like that guy on the movie Aliens, you know, like, I went off this Cracker Jack operation. Get me out of here. What was that?
That was me moving the
A
bucket.
rock or something?
No.
Oh, you're gonna ruin my jacket.
I was moving the bucket so that it scrapes the ground more. Every time I go up and down, I scrape the ground. It helps compact it.
Should have brought scissors. I could cut all the little branches that are hitting me.
I thought about bringing a pole saw out here today, but I never got around to it.
Pole saw. Oh, the thing we bought?
Yeah, that way I can cut some of the branches off the inside here so that it doesn't hit the tractor as it's going by.
Have to use some smoothing.
That's what I'm doing right now with the bucket down. See behind us?
Yeah, it looks like
It's
it's
a little bit, well, it'll take a lot of time.
We just get the car and just drive up and down a bunch of times.
We could, as soon as I get all this stuff out of the way. I want to make sure there's no big branches in the way before we take the car out here. It's looking a lot smoother though, and wider. Danger, Will Robinson. So this is our south property line. It might be.
Oh, you already broke that one.
Yeah, I tried to break all the way off. It didn't work.
Get closer. Woo! That's a big clump. Woo! Sorry.
It's all right.
Okay, we're halfway. Sort of. There's the meadow.
No, it's basically halfway.
Is it?
I think so.
I need a pillow. Make sure the camera's facing the right way.
I think so. If not, we can always redo the video. I don't even know if they can hear me right now.
Can you hear me now? Oh, dang it. This car looks a lot smoother and straighter.
Yeah. This part, all I had to do is clear out the sagebrush. So every time I go up and down it, I just put the bucket down so it's not scraping it, but it's at an angle so it doesn't pick up the dirt. Oh, look at that.
Bye-bye.
Fire access. In case there's a.
Be able to fit on this road?
Yeah, I'll need to limb up some of these branches, like these right here. They're too low, and these on the pine tree. Yeah, but they can fit. They're about as wide as the bucket on this tractor, and if I've made it wider than the bucket,
Yeah.
tried to. All right. There's some rocks right here, bigger rocks. Yeah. There's some big old rolls of barbed wire I found. I had one of them wrap up around the front tire. I had gloves that time so I could get it off the tire without cutting my hands up.
Tight right here, huh?
A little bit. I just pushed some brush off the path, clear the path. Got our homeless camp back here.
Yeah.
This is the brighter side of town.
This is where you go when I kick you out for the night. It's your doghouse.
Onto the neighbor's property. Yeah, this is our property. It's been gone.
What?
This is our property. It would have been gone. Have that stuff laying around.
I don't know. Are you sure you've seen the entire property?
Yeah, I've walked all around this property.
100% you haven't missed anything.
Well, it'd have to be pretty well camouflaged. Basically the back corner.
What?
This is the back corner.
Oh, yep, there it is.
That's it.
So you're going to turn when you decide to go through the back, you're going to turn right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut through to the right here in that dead tree.
Yeah.
But there's barbed wire stretch across. So I got to get out here with something to cut this
Snips.
barbed wire. I mean, the
Yeah.
fence is tagged to that tree over there, and it kind of zigzags across.
Oh, wow, it's like growing through that tree.
Yeah, it's not quite through yet. I don't think. I think I can get it out.
Well, that's crazy. It's been here for a while then.
Yeah. But I have to get rid of it so I can get out of the way so that I can
Not slice your
go
head
across
off.
the back fence line without destroying the tractor. It's always a
Turn
fun
around
part.
last time.
Yeah, I turned around up in there. I'm gonna try a different way this time. Might be more room.
Oh, that's a tree.
Yeah. Yeah, that little oak tree is pretty tough.
Turn your bucket.
Nah. We'll just go forward to these oak bushes. Back up again. Alright.
Big tree. You're gonna hit the big tree. You hit the big tree.
Why did I hit the big tree?
Turn the bucket. There you go.
There
You
we
didn't
go.
listen to me, that's why.
Oh,
Story
yes.
of my life.
Yes, yes, yes. Alright.
You're gonna have to sit like this one of these days and tell me how your butt feels at the end of
Yeah.
this ride.
Now, I'm pretty sure it don't feel too good.
I'd rather stand.
Yeah? You can stand. Just hang on the front and the back. Or hang on to me.
Don't go too crazy. I don't want to whack my head on the post.
Yeah. No, it's actually pretty smooth now. I mean, it was pretty rough first couple times to come out.
Pull this off. I can just sit right here on top of it.
Put your chair right in front of me.
Yeah. You don't need to see where you're going, right?
I'd have a better view. So that's what I've been working on for the past couple days. Getting out here, cutting a path in between these trees. My neighbor has been working on this area over here with all these campers and all this trash. They just purchased this part of the property, and the guy that lived here before didn't believe in going to the dump, so they've got a huge mess to clean up, but they're getting on it pretty good. It's not bolted down because the battery's underneath.
Eventually, I'd like to go all the way around my property with a
I like to be able
20-foot
to access the battery if I need
path.
Put your foot up.
Cut the trees down right up to the fence and everything. But for now, I'm just going in between the trees. In case the fire rolls through next summer, next couple seasons, fire trucks can get back to the back of our property to protect it. There's a 95% chance that if there is a fire up here, it's going to come from the back of our property to the front of our property, that direction. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Just a little quick peek into what I've been doing. If you like the video, you like the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell for notifications. Hit that like button. Help this channel get out there. Help our videos get out there. Leave a comment. For now, go out and make something.
Check this little mount out.